The PLK A3 DTF printer is a high-performance solution built for professionals and hobbyists looking to elevate their textile and custom t-shirt printing. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. With a robust build, the PLK A3 is engineered from durable metal and designed to handle both sheet and roll printing with ease. The printer is compact yet powerful, featuring a refined structure that ensures precise results even in high-volume production settings. At the core of the PLK A3 is the XP600 printhead, a significant upgrade that effectively doubles the printing speed compared to earlier models like the L1800 or L805. This not only boosts productivity but also cuts maintenance time in half. Coupled with a white ink stirring system, it helps prevent printhead clogs, ensuring consistent, vibrant output every time. Whether you're producing a large batch of designs or working on demand for custom jobs, the printer's semi-automatic cleaning system and waste ink collection mechanism simplify upkeep and extend the printer's longevity. With a 13-inch width capacity, it supports both the 3 film rolls and sheets, perfect for creating bold and colorful custom apparel. Another key feature is the integrated powder shaker and dryer, which enhances printing efficiency by maintaining a smooth flow of toner and preventing clumps. This is crucial for achieving full 100% transfer results onto textiles. The result is a flawless finish that adheres beautifully to t-shirts, bags, and other fabrics. The PLK A3 also comes with expert-level support, including remote assistance from engineers who help resolve technical challenges in real time. For optimal performance, users are encouraged to follow maintenance steps such as shaking the white ink, cleaning the heads, and running nozzle checks. Together, these features make the PLK A3 DTF printer a standout tool for creatives and entrepreneurs in the custom printing business.